Hi, good evening. Let's wait for another 1 or 2 minutes before I start. I just got a few messages, sorry, but the guys have just asked to wait for a minute or two because today's topic is very important. It's on anxiety, loneliness. So just give us about 120 seconds before I start. Okay then guys, let's start. Hi, my name is Amit Tyagi. I'm from a very peaceful town. That town is called Meerut. And I'm from a very peaceful community, and the community is called Tyagi. No, there's nothing funny about this, seriously. One of the most peaceful towns is Meerut. I have a very bad ratio in terms of the family. I have only one wife and 2 children. So, ये कहते हैं ना, एक पत्नी और 2 बच्चे बहुत बेइंसाफी है. Guys, don't take me jokingly. I am really serious. Only one wife and 2 children. I am the founder of Tyagi Talks. A lot of guys have written to me, why Tyagi Talks? It's a simple reason. Whenever there's a company formed, people think about COB, that's continuity of business. And even I thought that let's have continuity of business. So I said Tyagi Talks. Tomorrow, unfortunately, if I have a sore throat and I'm down, and I'm going to do this every Thursday, one of the Tyagi family members will just get up and start speaking. Tyagi is normally the Amit Tyagi family, like the Bol Bachchan family. Yeah? So they all get together and start talking. I've done a lot of live sessions on happiness, humor. Today's topic is something very, very important. It's on anxiety and loneliness. Why is it so important? I'm going to tell you what is anxiety, and I'm going to tell you different type of anxiety that you have. I'm going to give you some tips of how to overcome anxiety. But, before we start, I just want to tell you what is the mission of Tyagi Talks. I want to see everybody with a light heart, enjoying and being happy. Smiling at people creates lightness and makes them feel good also. My mantra, and I follow this every day. I talk to everybody, least bothered of what they think about me. I make a point to speak to everybody. Life is too short, guys. Let's go and live this life the fullest. That is why the mantra is go speak to everybody. So let's start. When we get up in the morning and we look at our partners, what do we tell them? Hey, am I still married to you? Nahi na? We can't afford doing that. So why do we get up in the morning, get ready and start cribbing and sulk? Jao yaar, bahar jao. Go and enjoy yourself. Stop cribbing. Stop looking at everything and saying, oh God, the same old thing again. When we don't do it with the people whom we love, why do we do it with everybody else? Coming now back to what is anxiety or loneliness or stress or depression, whatever you call it. For me, I have a simple word for it. It is psychological drama. What is anxiety? You're getting ready to go to a party. There's something inside telling you something is not going to go right. Something is going to go wrong. And see what karma does. Whenever you think of getting up at 6 in the morning, and it's playing on your mind, 6, you get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So, when you have getting ready and you're thinking there's something going to go wrong, there's definitely something that is going to go wrong now. हम सब बिल्कुल तैयार हैं. Now what do people do in such situations? People start sweating. They want to avoid such places. So they start avoiding friends. They start avoiding places. They start avoiding every other joint that they go to. And they get into that mode of loneliness. So guys, always remember there are two types of anxiety. One anxiety is a normal anxiety which is good to have, and I'll give you examples. And one is anxiety disorders, which is critical. So let's go to the first one, anxiety. According to me, it is absolutely important to have anxiety. And I'll tell you reasons, and I'll give you everything with examples that fit in daily lives, that you get synced to it. You're sitting for an interview. You're the next number. Everything starts playing onto your mind. And the first thing that comes to your mind is, shit, next is my number. What is he going to ask me? My name is this, my qualifications are this, my experience is this. What he asks for about my weaknesses, my strengths, you start talking. There is that anxiety to kill all those questions. Second example of good anxiety is you're waiting for your results. You know your results are going to come out at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You have this second heartbeat which is going on, saying, how will I do? If I do well, what do I do? If I don't do well, what do I tell my parents? There's a different anxiety, which is good anxiety. It prepares you for the worst. But when you mix this anxiety with emotions and thoughts, that is anxiety disorders. And 1 out of 14 people in the world suffer from anxiety disorders. And we all do it, knowingly, unknowingly. We suffer from anxiety disorders. Now, what are anxiety disorders? I'll give you a live example. We as friends get together every day in the morning and we play a game of cricket. And I'm giving you a live example that I went through. And it happens with everybody. And how could have I avoided this? We have amazing sledging that goes on to win the game. This time the topic was me. A lot of guys were sledging on me and taking. After one time I couldn't take it, I just walked out of the game. And I went and stood all alone by myself. That's my anxiety disorder. So guys, understand, it's very, very simple. I'm going to tell you how and when can you avoid these disorders. So, as I told you, anxiety disorders, you go to a doctor and the poor guy, you go to him and say, I have a problem. I'm running away from people. I can't sleep in the night. I'm having different type of dreams. So what does the doctor do? He looks at you as a mental issue that you guys are having. And he subscribes tablets to you. Guys, seriously, you're having those tablets and what are you doing? Nothing. I will give you some 2 or 3 things that you can do for people who go through anxiety, for people who go through anxiety disorders rather, how to avoid them. The first thing that you guys need to do is have a feeling of control. The problem with people who have anxiety disorders, they have a feeling that they are not in control. So get together. Get in control. Go back and see what you can do. And I'll give you an example to this as well. And the reason that I'm giving personal examples because I've seen people go through. My mom has a liver disease and she is level 3 and that's called liver cirrhosis. We went to the doctor to show her. Doctor looked at her and said, by looking at her condition, 6, 9, 12 months max. We all had the teary eyes, didn't know what to do. But there's one person who thought extremely strongly to reverse this, that's my mom. She said, I'm going to take my life in control. And she did that. It's 3 years from there till now, touch wood. But she's fighting it. She's taken in control. She said, I will get over this. It was very easy to have that anxiety disorder. Pray to God, मैं क्यों और कोई क्यों नहीं. But for the guys who have anxiety disorders, please be in control. It's a great help. There's an extremely good line by a poet which says, anything worth doing is worse doing badly the first time. And I'll give you a reason to this as well. We all have our steps to success. We build small steps. No, we build big steps to reach to success. If we can build 20 small steps, we'll build 5 big steps because we want to get there quickly. Not realizing that we'll always do it badly the first time. We won't be able to climb the step. So this is what the poet says very clearly. Do it the worst the first time. So when you guys are in control, you guys are best on the second and the third. Right? Second is forgive yourself. The guys who go through anxiety disorders take it all on themselves. अगर मैं 2 घंटे और बैठ जाता मैं ये काम कर लेता, मैं अगर ये कर लेता मैं ये कर लेता. They just don't forgive themselves. Just say no. I'll give you an example here too so you guys know what I'm speaking. Suppose there's somebody who comes to me and says, Amit Tyagi, तुझसे नहीं होगा. Amit Tyagi, you're dead. Amit Tyagi, you won't be able to do this. The guy is very negative to me. I am never going to have him as my friend. I'm not going to discuss anything with him. So forgive, go, move on. And the last is having a meaning in life. Being happy. The people who go through anxiety disorders are the guys who want to live by themselves. मैं हूँ तो क्या है? मैं कैसे करूँ? Guys, understand, and what I mean by have a meaning in life, that meaning is your family. It can be your parents, mother, father. It can be your spouse, your children, your siblings, your cousins have a meaning. Go and live for somebody else and see the difference it makes to yourself. They are not talking about money. They are not talking about your fame. Go back to your family. They just want to see the smile on their face, on your face rather, sorry. So when you have that smile on your face, it makes a lot of meaning to your people. So guys, exactly what I'm saying. Have a meaning. Go. Work for them. I will give you a small saying which says, when you run alone, it's a race. But when you run for somebody, and that somebody is the meaning of your life, your family, but let it be anybody, it's called grace. So let me repeat it. When you run alone, it is a race. But when you run for somebody, it's called grace. I've always said this in all my presentations that I've done on happiness to people, motivation to people. Think today is your last day on earth. And Amit Tyagi, you're going to die tomorrow at 10 a.m. What am I going to do? I'm going to make sure that everything I do today is the best. I'm the best in my behavior. I'm the best in my talking to people. I respect my elders. I make fun of everything. I go back and pay everything. Because I know I'm going to die the next day at 10 o'clock. So if I live my life every day thinking I might die the next day, Look at the change it gets to you, your family, your surroundings, your people, your friends. You're the most wanted immediately. And look at the difference it does. There's no loneliness. There's no anxiety because people are waiting. And I'm going to come back. I'm going to come back at the last saying, how are you going to create humor and happiness at your stress? How do you do it? You know what we do? When there's a problem, we get up and we fix the small issue. Baba, वो small issue is not anxiety. Anxiety is the bigger picture. हम छोटी छोटी कुछ चीज़ों को ठीक करके ना खुश हो जाते हैं कि हमारा एंग्जाइटी हम बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, पर हमें ये याद नहीं रहता कि वो बड़ा इश्यू अभी तक सॉल्व नहीं है. I was watching this poem which was recited by Amitabh Bachchan. I think it's an amazing poem. It's a motivational video, whatever you can call it. It's called तुम मुझे कब तक रोकोगे. I will read out one paragraph from it. Yeah. My Hindi is a little weird and I want to boast about it. Yeah. Born and brought up in Goa. Educated, my graduation, everything in the West. So the wording goes as follows. मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है. मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है. बंजर माटी में पल कर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है. मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ. मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ. शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे. मिटने वाला मेरा नाम नहीं, तुम मुझे कब तक रोकोगे. Guys, if we all can go back with this thought, I'm saying this is an amazing poem that has been recited by Amitabh Bachchan. Again, I'll name it. He's saying, तुम मुझे कब तक रोकोगे. I picked up this paragraph because it fits into exactly what I'm saying. It fits about taking control. It fits about being forgive for people. Where he says, शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे. And the last is living for a meaning. You know, emotions are attached to people. Say something funny, people smile. Say something inspirational, people are charged up. While if you say something emotional, people start crying. You know what is the most toughest thing to do? The most toughest thing to do is what I'm doing right now, talking in front of a camera. Cameras can't smile. Cameras can't laugh. Cameras can't tell you what's going wrong. But I'm scared of putting this up. I'm scared of putting this up on the Facebook saying, how many likes will I get? 200 touch karega? 100 touch karega? Boss, if 2 people like this video and say thank you, I think it's the game. It's a small step to success. Thoughts and emotions go hand in hand. They talk volumes. And when thoughts and emotions go wrong, that is anxiety disorder. I was listening to Sadhguru, and Sadhguru has this program called Sync. It's an amazing program. Sadhguru is talking about meditation. And he so nicely puts it that meditation relaxes the body, the mind, the soul, the house, the environment. There's a person who walks up to Sadhguruji and tells him that Sadhguruji, when I'm meditating, I'm getting various thoughts. So Sadhguru smiles and said that, boss, I will give you a meditation program. But after that meditation program, your heart, your liver, and your kidney will stop functioning. So the person is taken aback and he says, what? He says, when you do not want all these 3 organs to fail, why do you want your mind to fail when you're meditating? That is because we don't relate with the 3 organs. We know the heart is pumping, is giving us oxygen, is giving us blood, is supplying everything, kidney, liver. But the mind, we are associated with the mind. We go through the mind. We know what the mind is going to tell us. If the mind tells us something nice, we are happy. The mind tells us something bad, we are bad. So please go back and see what is most important. So coming back, the more lonely you feel, the more depressed you are. You want to run away. You want to see where are we, what are we doing. I went to a school to give a lecture on happiness. I asked this young set of people, there must be 18, 19, 20. This lecture was thankfully an hour. I asked them what is their problem in life, what do they face nowadays. Their one answer which caught my entire thought for the time is everybody thinks that their concentration level is limited to some time. They say we can't talk, or we can't think, or we can't concentrate for more than 90 minutes. And it was universal. It was not that some people said it, some people said no. And when I came back, I wanted to do a lot of research of what did the crowd tell me. And they were right. I've seen movies from 4 hours to 3 hours to 2 hours, now even 90 minutes. The movie is 90 minutes with 20-30 minutes of interval. So people are right. Look at the people, where are they leading to? I was just thinking to myself, that when people want to tell stories, 30 seconds में ad वाले हमें अपनी पूरी स्टोरी समझा देते हैं. अगर ad वाले 30 सेकंड में हमें अपनी पूरी स्टोरी समझा देते हैं, भाई साहब हम क्यों 2 घंटे 3 घंटे वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. So let's recap. Anxiety disorders, loneliness is all here. It's all here. I've told you ways. I'm not saying you'll go off your tablet, but if you look at and practice those 3 ways, I'm sure you'll reduce down your stress levels, your anxiety levels. Now let's come how to enjoy your stress, or how to laugh at your stress. I've been reading a lot of books on stress. I've been reading a lot of books on anxiety. I've seen a lot of videos. I really have done a lot of research, and I'm coming the old versus the new. And you'll understand what I'm saying. Previously was this stress. We used to play a lot. Just rewind yourselves about 30 years back, 40 years back. The guys who are older, 60, 70, the guys who are young, 10, 15 years back. And see, we used to play hard. We used to eat hard. And we used to have everything that one person is doing. I know as a kid in Goa, my mom used to cook chicken curry on a Saturday or a Sunday. And I used to wait for that Sunday. हमारे नेबर भी आ जाते थे ना, किसी का मुंह नहीं बनता था. हंसते हंसते हम उनको भी खिलाते थे. But everything now is come back. It's my favorite web series का last episode. यार किसी को मत बताना हमने चिकन बनाया, फटाफट ड्रिंक पीते ख़त्म करते हैं. I've never seen my grandma or my grandfather say, यार मैं खेतों में काम करके हूँ, मैं grandma saying मैं इतने जनों की खाना बना रही हूँ, मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ, मैंने 2 बियर रख दी हैं मिट्टी वाले फ्रिज में, जैसे ख़त्म होंगी मुझे दे देना. हमारी ग्रैंडमदर को कभी सुनते देखा है? Why do we do a lot of so much of psychological drama? Everybody that you meet today has only one thing. Do you know how busy I am? तुम्हें पता है मुझे कितना काम है, मैं क्या करूं मेरी समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Just ask them to shut up, yeah. Seriously. These are the guys who are the most people with anxiety disorders, because they don't know where to start from. And I'm seriously telling you on a very, very funny side. We live in a country which has maximum sales of laxatives. मोशन की दवाई, बिकॉज हमारी चेहरों पे है यार. हम कॉन्स्टिपेटेड दिखते हैं. हमें कहते हैं हम क्या करें. दिस laxative pills that we guys are doing is killing ourselves. हम बचपन में guys, and people are writing to me, I can see a lot of remarks saying how true we have lived that moment when people and rewind yourself again to your childhood. कोई भी रूह अफ़ज़ा, शिकंजी कुछ भी बना के लाता था, हम पानी पी लेते थे. हमने टैप का पानी पिया है यार, हम नहीं मरे अभी तक, जिंदा हैं. वी आर टॉकिंग टू यू. आजकल के बच्चों को, दिस जनरेशन, वाई वी मेकिंग वीक? दिस वीकनेस इज क्रिएटिंग लैक ऑफ इम्यूनिटी. दैट इम्यूनिटी इज गेटिंग टू एंग्जाइटी एंड लोनलीनेस. एनर्जी फूड्स, एनर्जी, ये डाइट फूड्स भैया खाने दो. Everybody tells desi ghee is the best to have, but we as parents don't believe that. Chule bhature is the worst thing. Lassi you should not have. So guys, when people are stressed, stressful people क्या करते हैं? You can easily make out stress. वो रोड पे आ जाते हैं और लोग उनसे कोई पूछेगा यार क्या है, क्या हाल है तेरे, सबसे पहले कहता है बहुत ही स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ यार. There are some people who go in a long way. हम अपने घर को टेक्स्ट करके ना मैसेज सुबह गाड़ी से बैठ के भेज देते हैं, आज रात में थका हुआ घर आ जाऊंगा. बस आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क दिस पीपल वन क्वेश्चन यार, भगवान है या वो पंडित जी का तोता है जो कार्ड निकाल के कहेगा आज अमित त्यागी थका हुआ घर आएगा? हाउ डू आई नो इट? इट्स अ फॉर्म ऑफ प्री सफरिंग. People come home and announce, I am home. Bhai Sahab, standing ovation that you have reached home, yeah? Why do you need to announce that you're home? Do you need a standing ovation? No. But the guy is so happy, he wants to say, because I am home. I could have gone somewhere else. Chala jata hai yaar, who is looking at it? Don't announce people that you're coming at home. I'll tell you how people are nowadays. We are so stressed. As soon as we sit in a car and go on the road, our first question is, hey भगवान इतनी गाड़ियाँ कहाँ से आई? You're on the road. रोड पे ही आएंगी मेरे भाई. Why are we stressed seeing so many cars? And that's our question every day. When we go on a Wednesday, हम ऑफिस से छुट्टी लेके शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स चले जाते हैं, लाइन में खड़े होके हम सामान खरीदते हैं. सडनली हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अरे वेडनेसडे दोपहर को इतने लोग कहाँ से आए? हमसे बदला लेने आए. तुझसे तो पक्का बदला लेने आए यार, कि तू आज शॉपिंग करने आए, 30 दिन आगे खड़े रहेंगे. Where are we stressed and why are we stressed so badly? Has anybody for a change gone back to that counter and told the guy मैंने नई शर्ट पहनी आज, किसी ने नोटिस किया है? No, but we are noticing the 10 people ahead of us. और अगर एक बंदे का बिलिंग टेक्स एन एक्स्ट्रा 1 minute, we can kill the guy. So I'll tell you the best way to de-stress, guys, is witness your own behavior. जाके देखो how you feel yourself. You laugh saying मैं इतना बड़ा idiot तो नहीं हो सकता था यार. I can't ask so many idiotic questions. I've seen a lot of children, and I will, my second last thing, then I'll leave you with the last thought. I've seen a lot of children, when they're enjoying the moment, they're taking selfies. They are giving the selfies to their friends, families, they're putting onto groups. And then they're watching the moments later after 2 days saying, wow, such an amazing place. Guys, why can't we enjoy the moment? Why can't we stand there, click our selfies later? The place is going to remain there where it is. But what we are doing, we are in such a big hurry that we take the selfies, we forget, we don't live the moment. We live the moment after 3 days, and you live the moment just to see where you are. So please take your selfies, please take everything that you want to do for a moment, but do it later. First, enjoy the time that you have. It will never come back. And my last thing to you guys before I leave for the day, when you think the worst and you get the worst, you suffer twice. Right? So you have thought the worst. आपने सोचा है कि मेरे साथ गलत होगा और आपके साथ गलती हो जाता है. आपने वो गलती 2 बार आपके साथ देखी है. एक आपने तब देखी जब आप उसको महसूस कर रहे थे, और आपने तब देखी जब आपके साथ हो गई. But at the same time, if you think of the best and get the worst, you live that worst moment only once. And then rewind to what I've come back and said, build those small steps to success. Guys, anxiety, loneliness, behaviors is all in our mind. If we can go back and stay in control, if I can forgive and not take blame only on myself, and if I have a meaning in life, I can absolutely tell you, you will not need those pills. You will work toward the better cause. You will work to make people happier, and there goes away your anxiety and loneliness. Guys, signing out. This is Amit Tyagi from Tyagi Talks. Be happy, be safe. Thank you so much.